In today's video, I want to teach you a very easy scalping strategy that makes consistent profit. As I said, this is a scalping strategy and it's suitable for 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. Right now, we are on 5 minutes time frame. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but no limitation on this, and you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market. The only requirement is high trading volume and liquidity, both in terms of the asset and the broker or exchange that you're trading, because this is a scalping strategy and we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this trading strategy, we have two indicators. The first indicator that we want to add is Turtle Trade Channels indicator. This one, which is written by Kivonk Ozbilgik. This indicator is based on a famous trading system that has proved to be profitable and consistent over the years. It's built based on Donchian channels and it was mainly used on higher time frames, but in this strategy, we're going to use the generated buy-sell signals on lower time frames in conjunction with another indicator. We just need to go to the settings of the indicator, and here in the style tab, we just remove the exit signals here because we don't need them in our strategy, and we're going to use only these long and short position signals. We need to filter the signals that happen during pullbacks or especially in flat market, so we must add another indicator for this purpose. Here we click on indicators and we search Andean oscillator, this one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Alex Grover. This indicator will help us to know when the market is flat and in what times we have enough upside or downside momentum for entering a trade. Everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, trading based on this scalping strategy is very easy and you just need to be focused on the signals and your entry, stop loss, and profit. When we have a short position signal here, we check Andean oscillator. If red line is already above the orange line, we enter a trade. If not, like this case, we wait to see if it crosses above the orange line or not. You can see that it happened here. So the short position signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And when we have a long position signal, we wait to see if the green line crosses above the orange line or not. In this case, you can see that it didn't happen, so this long position signal here is rejected, and for this short position signal here in Andean oscillator, the red line crossed above the orange line here at this point, so the signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position here at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, here we have a buy signal, and in Andean oscillator, the green line crossed above the orange line here at this point, so the signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low here at this point and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here we have a short position signal, but it's rejected because we didn't have red line crossed above the orange line, and for this long position signal here, this is also a rejected signal because the green line didn't cross above the orange line, and here for this short position signal, the crossing of red line above the orange line happened here, which is very late, and especially in times like this case where the red line is moving on the orange line for a while, it's better to reject the signal. Here for this short position signal, the red line is above the orange line, so the signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high, and this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see. Moving on the chart, here we have another short position signal. The red line is already above the orange line, but this is a losing trade because the price advanced after that, and this is actually the reversal point of the market. This buy signal here not confirmed because we didn't have green line crossing above the orange line. Here we have a short position signal. This is also rejected because we didn't have crossing of red line above the orange line, and for this long position signal here, the green line crossed above the orange line at this point, so the signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, and this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see. For this long position signal here, the signal is confirmed because green line is above the orange line, so another long position could be opened here at this point where the new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, and this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see, and we continue like this. Please pay attention that no trading strategy gives you 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are always part of the game, just like the one that we had had earlier. So you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.